Hello guys and welcome back to Programming Made Easy. So in today's video we would be coming further over to our Salesforce and moving over with your Experience Cloud or often called as your Community Cloud. So let's get started with this. So in this slide what you could see here is guys, this is a Amazon website. Moving further you could see here is a Flipkart website. Okay, and moving ahead, you could see a flight reservation, book tickets, one-way round trip, multi-city, and so on. So now you would guys be thinking that why I am showing you all these things. So basically guys, what do you think, what are these? See, you would say that sir, these are all websites. So yeah, I am saying that yeah, it's correct, but my question is, can we make these sites in Salesforce? So the answer for this question is yes, of course we could make these sites in Salesforce. So basically, what does your community or your experience cloud deals with? It enables companies to build content in one place and deliver it anywhere, like your websites, portals, mobile apps, and storefronts. So, what does that mean, guys? Basically, your experience cloud or your community cloud comes with a variety of features. What are these? Let us see one by one. First is your build community. It provides a responsive and customizable portal where users can easily access articles, update their information, create and manage cases and claims. So, our first point tells us that we could build over a community, a responsive one, where users can get access to articles, update their information, create various cases as per the information or the requirement they want, connect with the customers. So what it does is empowers users by deriving customers to self-help features such as a knowledge base, self-service portal or forum. So for those who don't know what a knowledge base is, guys, so knowledge base is a repository where you store various articles related to your product. That might be an ongoing product or that might be a coming soon product, and you tell that what is the description of that product and what are the do's and don'ts and how to use that product. So basically these things come in your knowledge base. We would be covering this as well in the further topics. The third point here is the grow partnerships. So it creates a complete channel management solution for you as well as your partners. It helps you to accelerate your sales by connecting directly with your resellers, distributors, and partners. So don't get confused if you are just beginning with this. See, basically, what it all deals is, it helps you or it provides a medium where you can interact with your customers. You can basically you can build a brand over the communities. You can even manage your entire business over communities. Okay, so moving further, there are three license tiers that one must follow in order to access communities, like the partner community, customer community plus, and the customer community. So basically, what are the difference between these license tiers is as follows. See, the customer community license is the baseline level of access that a user can have in the community. Like it has access to baseline standard objects, custom objects, chatters, knowledge, activities and tasks. The customer community plus is addition over to your customer community license. What does it do is it provides you a customized reports and dashboards feature as well as it helps you in advanced sharing. The partner community is a more enhancement over to your customer community license by providing premium standard objects like leads, contact, opportunities. So these are some of the advantages of the community tier licenses. And moving further, We would be going from scratch to build over a community, dealing with things like audience targeting, audience visibility, as well as how to drag components over to your community, working over your standard components, custom components, as well as various other customizations that we would be doing. So this was just a starter introduction for our community cloud for the beginners. So in the further coming videos, we would be going deep diving into the practical concepts. Till then, enjoy guys, and if you have any doubts, do comment down below. Thanks for watching.